think of social media, a lot of people think about personal use, but social media as a mechanism can be highly effective in the business world. If we look at the most popular social media tool on the planet, over 2 billion users, is Facebook, and it's a very prolific medium for sharing not just personal stories, but with sharing business stories, but with a very human touch as well. If we look at the social media tools that are highly relevant from a business perspective, Facebook obviously number one. YouTube is up there too. It's the most popular site, over 1.5 billion users. It's the most popular site for uploading videos, and it provides a great mechanism to share not just personal stories, but also educate and teach others about an individual's personal skill or an interest area that they have. We also, Brazil is a very high user of Facebook. I think certainly in Brazil, Facebook, YouTube and Instagram, all very popular, and indeed also WhatsApp as a messaging mechanism is extremely useful. Now, we also think of WhatsApp as a medium where we share messages between each other personally, but store assistants can send you WhatsApp messages to let you know that there's a new promotion going on that you might want to take advantage of. So it's great as a just-in-time business tool to share information. And lastly, it's a great mechanism for understanding the sentiment of your employees, of your customers, of your prospects too. A great tool for critique, whether that's good or bad. And in fact, if it's bad, you really do need to have a social media department, because you need to get on top of those bad messages as quickly as possible. And really, you can use those bad messages to turn your impression around and turn your brand around. So social media in a business context is a very highly effective mechanism for reaching a large number of users that you may not otherwise have reached, and is a very powerful way of influencing individuals, influencing them to look at your brand, considering you, and perhaps even purchasing your products.